It's estimated that the Australian pest control industry earns nearly $1 billion in revenue and up to $160 million in profits each year. And it's forecast to grow at 3.5% annually to 2015. As a pest control business operating in this market, are you getting your share? Recent research indicated that an important business goal for 7 in 10 pest control companies was increasing the number of customers they have. The economic forecast for the next 10 years appears to be volatile, with challenging consumer spending, especially for small to medium-sized businesses.
Hello.
Hi, Mrs. Vinnie, how are you?
Good.
But not only is the economic climate temperamental, as an industry, you'll agree we face significant challenges of our own. There's an increasing trend by consumers wanting more environmentally friendly and socially responsible products used in their homes and workplaces.
I don't like using chemicals, generally speaking.
Alongside this trend, there is growing concern for the safe use of chemicals.
I don't know what they do to my kids, my family and the environment, so I've never liked using them. I have had to resort to using chemicals, particularly with nasty infestations as we get in Sydney.
These fears have been reflected in the increase in regulations and requirements for pest control operators and the application technology used.
The regulatory requirements have gone through the roof in terms of the paperwork that you now have to have. 10 years ago, you didn't need to have the record keeping.
These consumer concerns have also driven product development and seen a significant change in the industry with the increased use of targeted product application. The use of baits in termite, cockroach and ant control has required greater operator knowledge and expertise, with shorter service intervals.
Chemical application these days is much more targeted. Technicians need to have a much greater understanding of the biology and behaviour of the pest that they're going after, be it rodents or be it roaches. You need to know where those pests are going to be, how they behave, so that you can actually target your control measures, your chemicals, much more accurately.
Not only are work processes changing and consumers expecting more, but traditional methods of finding new customers are changing too. The dominance of yellow pages as a key driver of new customers to your business is diminishing. Consumers are increasingly looking towards the internet. This is driving greater consumer awareness and empowerment through access to knowledge they never had before.
Even someone of my generation now doesn't bother with anything much else besides jumping on Google.
If you're not online, if you don't have a good web presence, you're going to miss out.
So what is the impact of this on the way we will do business in the future? As industry regulations tighten and consumers become more aware, the more professional and expert companies will become more successful. Pest control companies believe their biggest challenges in the next 2 years will be to improve customer service, train competent technicians, and keep their customers. A key challenge is that most want income turnover of more than $100,000 per technician, but 40% acknowledge they are yet to achieve this. 6 in 10 companies see a website as important to marketing their services, but only 2 out of 10 believe their efforts deliver the result they want. More than half say their biggest challenge will be finding new customers or enough work all year round. The business environment and market is changing, and pest control companies need to learn to adapt too. Today at Bayer, we are keen to partner with you to meet these challenges. When you buy Bayer products, our Bayer Amplify business development program gives you access to professional marketing and human resources that often only big corporate companies can afford. Bayer aims to amplify your efforts to achieve success. It does this in 2 unique ways. First, it provides online training resources for you and your technicians. Online learning means learning when it suits you to improve your knowledge and skills. Bayer Amplify offers training for your technicians. Bayer, in a recent survey, found that 70% of pest control companies believe training resources both in application skills and business management would be valuable. Buy Bayer products and get access to the training others can't get. Second, it delivers professional marketing resources to support your business and market your services to your customers. 2/3 of pest control businesses surveyed also said support with marketing and advertising promotional activities would be valuable in assisting them achieve success. Imagine having an experienced, practical and results-driven marketing team that global companies retain working on your team. Buy Bayer products and get access to free customisable marketing resources and marketing materials each year. So how do you get involved? Enter the Bayer products you purchase each month into Bayer Amplify to accrue a marketing budget. This can be used for marketing activities and human resource management to help you achieve your business goals. Grow with a plan. All success usually starts with a written plan. Use Bayer and its Amplify program to build a plan of actions over the next 12 months. Act and measure. Use your Amplify marketing budget to provide support on the activities you plan. Whether it's designing a business logo, building a company website, arranging a staff survey, or attending a leadership course. We understand that in your business, you're busy doing the business rather than working on the business. To achieve your goals, you need to take action on them to achieve them. Bayer wants to work with you to mutually grow our respective businesses. To ensure you don't miss out on being rewarded for growth, benchmark the products you purchase from Bayer over the last 12 months with your Bayer representative. He can do this with you after this presentation. Bayer Amplify. Let's grow your business together.